We discussed till count rows, right? Now we'll discuss about calculate function in this session because it's very important. Only this topic we'll discuss, and will remaining small topics are there. Year, month, day, quarter. This will complete. Okay. So now, we'll discuss about calculate function. So this is very important for interview purpose and also frequently used in real-time environment. Without calculate function, there is no uh, report. Okay, that much of important is there. Okay, so first go to the browser, go to the official document, calculate. Power BI. Calculate evaluates an expression in a modified filtered context. Okay, there's also calculate table function. It performs exactly same functionality except it modifies filter context applied to an expression that return a table object. Okay, so calculate and calculate table two are there, but calculate function will work for the column level, and calculate table. So calculate table will return a table. It returns a table. It returns a column or scalar value. That is the difference. Okay, so when it comes to remarks now, see return value. In the return value, you can the value that is the result of an expression. Okay, okay, fine. So calculate is a function, and here we can use expression in the calculate function. This expression, whatever we write the expression, that is mandatory. And the filters, whatever the filters we use, the filters, these filters are optional. Filters are optional in the calculate function. So this is the optional symbol. This one, this bracket is there now. This is the wherever it is. So if it is this bracket, so these are all are optional parameters. Okay, see here, you can able to see here parameters also you can able to see the expression to be evaluated. So expression means, for example, you want to apply sum, average, minimum, maximum, whatever you want, you can apply. So in calculate function, so mainly we can apply. So expression is mandatory, and filters, these filters are optional. And okay, so see, optional Boolean expressions are table expressions that define filters or filter modified functions. Okay, don't need to worry. Now I will explain with very simple. So how many scenarios we can use in calculate function? We'll see. Okay, they are giving they are giving examples. Okay, this is the one example. Okay, and this is the one. Okay, all except. Okay, three examples are there. Don't need to worry, I will explain all scenarios. Okay, now come. So I'm taking dim date, dim geography, dim customer, fact internet sales, load. Okay, now tables are loaded. Okay, so whenever you load some tables onto the Power BI desktop, already I told you, so in that table, any column contain numbers, any column contains numbers. So so any column contain number, that automatically it will sums. Already I showed here, this is a discount amount, this is a currency key, this is a product, these all are the numbers. Sales amount also number. Okay, now what I want to tell you is, so in calculate function, what they are trying to tell is expression is mandatory, but filters are optional, right? First scenario I will go. I'm taking right click, new measure. I want total sales. Total sales means what you want to apply, sum of amount, sales amount. Enter. See, and whatever here sum na, this is also will give the same result. So Power BI also automatically it will sums, right? So total sales, right? So I want to apply here calculate. If you use calculate also, it will give the same result. I just want to clear filters. I did not apply here any filter. Got it, right? So now see here, this is the one, right? Calculate. So I did not apply here anything. You want me to take one more time? Same result. So we can write directly sum of amount, sum of sales amount, that also fine, or we can take this one, whatever Power BI sums, this also we can take. But the difference is whatever we calculate. Okay, so now we are using measure, right? So we cannot see whatever Power BI already sums now, this value we cannot reuse. Reuse means we cannot use this total sales measure in another measure. Okay, so but once you create the measure, we can create we can use this measure in the another measures. Okay, so let's close this. Okay, this measure is okay, fine for me. And what I will do is, and I want to clear you one thing, whenever you load some tables into the Power BI desktop, then what will happens means, so automatically if the tables having in the relationship, if the tables having in the relationship, automatically data will be filtered. How means I will show you now. Calendar year, I'm taking calendar year. Okay. Okay. So here 2011 sales is separated and 2012 sales is separated and 2013 sales is separated and 2014 sales is separated because this calendar year dim date and fact internet sales, these two tables having in the relationship, I have taken two columns. I have taken one column from dim date and one column from the fact internet sales. So these two tables having in the relationship, that's the reason why data is filtered. Okay. So if you delete the relationship between the tables, then what? For example, I am deactivating. Now here dotted line I have deactivating, come here. Now see, so we have data from 2005 to 2014, but it is returning only this total sales amount in every row. So if you have the relationship wherever the data is started, sales data is available from 2011 to 2014 only. That's the reason my data is filtered. So whatever we don't have data, that is automatically take off. Okay. Now see, activate. Now activate relationship. Make this relationship active. Now it's not happened. Huh? So 2011, 2012, 2013, 2014. Okay. Now here data is filtered. Okay. So that means whenever we have some data in the relationship, that time what it will happens, data automatically it will filtered out. Okay. Now okay. Okay, this is okay. So now I showed we calculate function without a filter. So I did not apply any filter in the calculate function. Correct. So total sales measure, right? Now I want to apply one filter. For example, I want to know 2013 sales only. I want to filter only 2013 sales amount. So this is the amount, right? So I want to filter. This is the amount. Then how? Then take right click, new measure. 2013 equal to calculate whatever you want. Operation means expression means sum, average, minimum, maximum, whatever you want you can apply. Now my scenario is sum, right? Sum of, you can write either sum of amount to sales amount, like that you can write, or already we have created total sales amount, that also we can use. Okay. Now write your filter. My filter is now this calendar year equal to 2013. Calendar year. Calendar year. Where is the calendar year? My calendar year equal to 2013. Enter. Now see, so what happens now? Calendar year equal to 2013 means now what happens only this amount. So 2013 amount everywhere it is returning. Okay, that is okay. So for example, if you want to take this amount in the card, returning this value, okay, 2014 value. Okay, in this scenario this is fine. So if you want to show this value in the card, this is absolutely fine, I don't have any issues. Now but I have one more requirement. Okay, so here value 2013, so I want to filter only in this specific row. I don't want to display this value in all rows. Okay, you got it right, from 2013 to 2014. So every row it is returning, so that means it removing the filter and it will coming in everywhere. But I don't want, I want I want to show 2013 sales in the only in that specific column. Okay, I don't want to show all columns. Okay, so in that scenario, what we can do is, so two ways we can, okay, we can write. This is the first way, only 2013 sales. So see here we are applied here filter. Okay, so this is the first way of the filters applying, and I am showing one more method. So this is the second scenario. 2013 sales equal to calculate. I told you already, you can write or total sales comma filter table fact internet sales, the fact internet sales. What is your filter? Sorry, not fact internet sales, sorry, I want to filter based on the calendar year. This calendar year, where is the calendar year? It is there in the dim date. Okay, so now what is my table name is dim date. What you want to base filter? Calendar year. My calendar year equal to 2013. Okay, close, enter. That's it. So that means now you drag this. See, 2013 sales only here is filtering only 2013 sales only. Remove next remaining rows, rest of the rows empty. So that is what I want to. So there are two scenarios. So you want to keep, so you want to show this value only 2013 sales amount in the cards, then you can use either any one of these. But so you want to show in the table visual in two different scenarios, then you can go for this. Okay, so these are the scenarios, both will give the exact same value. Okay, so the difference is the filtering part is the different. So here what happens, so if you are writing directly dim date calendar year equal to 2013, we are applying direct filter here. We did not write FILT here. With filter FILT here, with filter function, what it will do exactly that row only it will be filtered. That is the difference. Okay, so in this way we can use calculate function. So basically what I want to try to tell is calculate function is a function so which is going to calculate expression filter. Okay, so expression is mandatory in the calculate function and filters are the optional part. These are the optional part. So these filters you can put or you can remove, it doesn't matter. So come here also use the filter. This is also filtered and these filters are the optional. For example, I showed this one, right? Total sales, calculate sum of sales amount, that's it. So here we did not write filter, even though if you did not mention the filter also, it's working. So here filters are optional, right? So here filters used. So calculate function with filter. Two different filters, we can directly write the column name equal to whatever the value, or we can apply the filter function. That's it. Or I want to show one more example. So this time what I will do is I'm taking dim geography this time. English country region name. So country wise sales I'm taking. Where is the measure? You can take measure or you can take column, doesn't matter. So I just want to show. So now here we have country wise sales amount is divided. But for example, you want to filter only Canada sales or something. So we have two options. If you want to show in the card, either you can use any one of that. But if you want to show in the table visual, you want to show only at the calendar column. So then you will go for filter function, or anything is fine. So in everywhere only that column you want to repeat, that value you want to repeat, then you will go for the direct filter. That's it. Right click, new measure. Canada. Okay, Canada sales. Calculate sum of with filter or without filter. Okay, anything. I am showing without filter function, direct filter. That means, so the English country region where it is there in dim geography it is there. So English country region name, right? Directly we can type. I want to go for direct filter now. ENG English country region name equal to English country region name equal to, see here only Canada sales is repeating in everywhere, or you want only in that specific column, then what we need to go for, then you go for filter function. Canada only for Canada sales filter with filter. Okay, so calculate, can mention directly total sales measure reusing means, so we are reusing that measure. So total sales measure we created, right? That measure we are using, we don't need to write sum of sales amount again. Now filter, in the filter, so what basis you want to filter? English country region name, this English country region name in dim geography. So dim geography table, dim geography Each country reason name equal to Canada. Now see, now it is displaying only Canada. So in the Canada row, in this row only that value is displaying. That is the now see. Canada sales filter now. Okay. So in this way we can use two different. So this is nothing but calculate function. Okay. So if you have any questions, please ask me. And we'll discuss about very simple year, month, day, quarter also is there, that will be discussed. So this is lengthy topic, so all selected and all accept. Okay, so these three are very important and little bit confusion. You don't need to worry, I will explain very simple method. Okay, so now we'll see what is year, what is month, and what is date. Okay, fine. So to take any simple data, I'm taking employee data set, employee table, just load it. Hire date is there, right? In the hire date, for example, you want to extract only year. So you want to extract only year. Then there is a function year. So only you can get the year from this column. Okay, in the date column. So in the hire date, so I'm only extracted year separated only year from this column. So you want to separate only month. There is a function month of date. So in which date column? From the high date column. Year, month, day. So day 13, 15. So year, month, day. Day also extracted. Or you want to extract quarters? So in a year, how many quarters? 4 quarters, right? So January to March 1 quarter, and April, May, June is 1 quarter, and July, August, September is 1 quarter, October, November, December is 1 quarter. Total 4 quarters. So here June means it will second quarter, right? Right click, column, quarter equal to quarter. It will give the quarter. Okay. Year, month, day, quarter. Year, month, day, quarter. Like this we can extract. Or simple functions as the previous day, last day. There are some simple functions also there, so you can check that also. But mostly we use year, month, day, because these things will use in the slices. That's the reason. See here, very very simple. So month, minute, hour. Hmm? Go and check. Now means it will return date and time. That's it, right? It's a sensible, right? Quarter, second, time in the time column you want to take seconds, only seconds separated 0 to 59, right? Seconds. So it will return. So like that. Time means hour, minute to second, like this. There are some are there, so you check that also. There are some examples also as well. Okay, don't worry. So these are the common things we use: year, month, day. Maybe we use for the slices in the reports. Okay, fine. So